Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you Northern Line Dance. Guys, I love this dance. So I'm teaching it for me because I want to do it. All I want is you. There's 3 parts and it's a one wall dance. It is a beautiful dance. If you're located in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674 if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance along to the music, I'll post it at the end, and also check out the choreographer instructional and demo. Guys, just want to tell you, check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026, next year. But registrations opens this year, June 1st, 2025. For all detailed information, please do not call the hotel. Please do not Google the information. Go to our website, www.lmiunola.com. Give you all the information, guys. That's where you're going to register. You're going to go to our website and register June 1st, and you can book your room right now at our website only, okay? And that's www.lmiunola.com. Are you ready? Let's go. So I'm going to give you all 3 parts. There's nothing you can't do in this dance, okay? It's nice and smooth. And we're going to start from this wall here. So stand on this side, and then I'll come back and give you the rotation. Okay, so part 1, you're going to do on the front and the back wall. So you're going to cha-cha up. Right, left, right. Rock up on the left, rock back. Left, right, left. You're going to do a kickstand, turn back, half turn. Okay, and then you're going to do a out and cross, that's on the left, and then you're going to roll back on the left. 5, 6, and 7, tap 8. That's it. So what did I do? I did a cha-cha. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, kickstand on that right comes back, 7 and 8. Up, 7, turn 8, half turn back. The left goes out and cross, roll back on the left and roll back and tap. From here, you're going to do the same thing. Cha-cha up on the right. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, 7, turn 8. And that's the right. The right is a kickstand. 7 and 8. My weight is on the right. I do an out and cross on the left. 1 and 2. On the right, 3 and 4. Roll back to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right. So you tap it. Okay? So let's put that together. That's part 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4, left, 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. Left, out and cross. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From here, do it again. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8, out and cross on the left and the right, 2, 3 and 4, roll back, left, right. That's part 1. Okay? Now part 2, you're going to do twice. So you're going to do a side rock recover. Rock out to the side rock, recover, you travel, step back, side, front. Okay? Side rock, recover, back, side, front, step, pivot, quarter, with your left shoulder coming forward. Quarter turn, lock, step, left, right, left, and on the right step, 1, 2, back, 3, side, 4. Step out on the left, do a quarter turn, 5, 6, quarter turn, lock on that left, 7 and 8. Step pivot quarter on the right, 1, 2, that's a quarter turn, half, 3, 4, roll to the right, 5, 6, and hip roll to the right, and step to the left. Left, tap right, left, tap right. 5, 6, 5, 6, hip roll to the right on 5, 6, step on the left, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me do that again, I lost my count. Side rock recover, 1, 2, travel, 3 and 4, pivot quarter, 5, 6, lock, 7 and 8, pivot, 1, 2, that's a quarter, 3, 4, roll, 5, 6, 7, slide, 7, 8. I was trying to put that that roll that I did on the first part. Okay, so that's what it is. You roll 5, 6, slide, 7 and 8. Slide to your left and your right heel comes up. Okay, so let's put that together. Side, let's give you a review. Side rock, recover, behind, side, front, step pivot left, quarter turn, lock, left, right, left, step pivot quarter, with the right shoulder coming forward, step pivot half with the right shoulder coming forward, roll to the right, and slide to your left. The weight is on your left, right heel comes up. We're going to do the same thing here, so let's do that again. Let's do it here. Side rock recover. 1, 2, travel, 3 and 4. Step out on that left shoulder come forward. Step pivot quarter, lock step. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, lock, 7 and 8. On that right, step pivot quarter, 1, 2, step pivot half, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, slide 7, 8. And that's part 2. Okay, so let's do it on the front and the back wall. 5, 6, side rock recover. 1, 2, 3 and 4, pivot. 5, 6, lock, 7 and 8. Quarter, 1, 2, half, 3, 4, roll, 5, 6, slide, 7, 8. Side rock recover. 1, 2, travel, 3 and 4, pivot. 5, 6, lock, 7 and 8. Quarter, 1, 2, half, 3, 4, roll, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's put 1 and 2 together, okay? So, part 1 goes forward, move forward. Part 2 starts on rock, side rock recover, side walks, okay? 5, 6, 7, cha-cha up. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8, out, 1 and 2, out, 3 and 4, roll, 5, 6, 7, 8, cha-cha, 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8, out, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, roll, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, 1, 2, travel 3 and 4, pivot, 5, 6, lock, 7 and 8, pivot, 1, 2, pivot, 3, 4, roll, 5, 6, slide, 7, 8, side, 1, 2, 3 and 4, pivot, quarter, 6, 7 and 8, pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll, 5, 6, slide, 7, 8. Okay, now, part 3. And I'll give you the rotation. So rock, part 2 is a travel step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Travel step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Or a lock step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Salsa. 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. Up. 1, 2, back 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. Coaster step. That's it. coaster tap. And your right is up to start all over. So that was 1, 2, and 3. So let's do 1, 2, and 3. And then I'll give you the rotation. Okay? So part 1 is that cha-cha. Part 2 is your side rock recover with the travel step. And part 3 is your travel step and your lock step up forward. Okay? 5, 6 from the top. 1 and 2, 3, 4, back 5, then 6, turn 7, 8, left 1 and 2, 3 and 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, cha-cha, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, turn 7, 8, out 1 and 2, 3 and 4, roll 5, 6, 7, tap 8, side 1, 2, 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, lock 7 and 8, pivot 1, 2, pivot 3, 4, roll 5, 6, slide 7, 8, high 1, 2, triple 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, lock 7 and 8, pivot 1, 2, pivot 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, salsa 5, then 6, 7 and 8, up 1, 2, easy 3, 4, easy 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? So that's 1, 2, and 3. 1 you do twice, 2 you do twice. The 3 you only do once, okay? Now let me give you the rotations. All I want is you got part 1, 2, and 3. So straight off the bat, when you do the dance, you're going to do all parts, just like I just did. 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to do 1 and 2. Then you're going back to 1. Then you're doing 3. And then for the rest of the song, you're doing 2. So 2, of course, is your chorus, okay? And you do that, I think, 4 times. All right? So make sure you check out the demo. Let's dance together. Leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video. Also, check out the Noah Southern Experience. I've been so excited to see y'all guys. July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens June 1st, 2025. Visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. Instructors, friends, don't give your people bits and pieces of information. Please refer them at the website. Tell them don't call the hotel. Tell them don't Google the information. Everything is at our website. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.